Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the basics. Keep the Jupiter 125 stationary and ignition off, then make sure your phone's Bluetooth and GPS are enabled so the app reads location and connects. Open TVS Connect and sign in with your TVS ID. Register if you don't have one, because the app links data to your account. Once done, tap Add Vehicle and enter the chassis and engine numbers from the registration card. This step ties the app to your specific bike and unlocks live telemetry. Next, pair the bike. Turn the ignition on briefly to wake the telematics module while the app searches for nearby devices. You'll see a pairing code either in the app or on the instrument cluster. Confirm it to establish a secure link. Once paired, go through Vehicle Setup, choose ECO Alerts, set service reminders, and create a geofence if you want theft alerts. These configurations ensure the app reports accurate fuel efficiency, scheduled maintenance prompts, and location-based security notifications for your Now Use Core features. Tap Live Tracking for real-time location, check ride stats for average speed and fuel trends, and enable Remote Immobilize for security. Sync trips after each ride so trip history and diagnostics upload to the cloud. You can export reports for service. If something goes wrong, try troubleshooting. Reboot the bike's ignition, toggle Bluetooth and GPS, and force close or reinstall the app. If connection still fails, confirm vehicle details and pairing code to avoid mismatched modules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.